My biggest win with Excel University has been learning how to automate reports, both for myself and for colleagues. My name is Leslie Pfeiffer. I'm in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I'm a CPA and I work as a Director of Financial Reporting for a privately held IT solutions provider. I've been using Excel for probably over 25 years, but I was basically just self-taught. I kind of learned on the job and I knew what I knew, but obviously I didn't know what I didn't know. Getting reports out of our financial system is very difficult. Or we can get reports out, but often we have to kind of cobble reports together to get the data we need. And so that's been really stressful and just so time consuming. We did a lot of manual routine tasks that were very time consuming. So then you spend so much time formatting the data or, getting the data into a format you can use that you have less time to do the analysis. And it's boring, to do the same routine tasks over and over. So using Power Query, VBA, and improved formulas, I save a ton of time really every day pulling reports out of our accounting system and simply being able to format the reports with the click of a button. Also, one of the tricks that I learned using VBA is to be able to create like a table of contents. If I have a workbook with a whole bunch of worksheets, with one click, it'll create a list of all the worksheets in the workbook with links to every worksheet. And so I can create a really nice table of contents where people can just link to go to different tabs. Because some of my workbooks, end up having 20, 30, 40 tabs in them. And so that's one of the little VBA macros that I really enjoy. I definitely use Google and YouTube, to find specific answers to specific questions, but I'd say you don't know what you don't know. I didn't even know that Power Query existed. So without taking the courses with Excel University, I would never even have known to search for it or to look for it. I've been having fun teaching my colleagues, building reports for colleagues, but also we have kind of monthly accounting department meetings. And so every now and then I will, take a few minutes out of those meetings and just show people different Excel tips and tricks. And I think other people get value out of that. And it's fun for me to be able to teach some of the stuff that I've learned. I would absolutely recommend Excel University to anybody that uses Excel. And Excel University, Jeff, has a lot of different levels, from a very kind of basic learning Excel from the beginning to the master's courses and VBA. I honestly wish that I had Excel University 25 years ago when I started using Excel, because I would have been much more productive throughout my entire career. So I would recommend it for anybody that uses Excel.